A new language test is now becoming a potential livelihood test for thousands of commercial drivers in Maharashtra. The state government has made working knowledge of Marathi mandatory for commercial passenger vehicle drivers, including auto rickshaw, taxi and app-based cab drivers. WION's principal correspondent Disha Yadav gets us this report from Mumbai. Take a look.
Maharashtra government has made practical knowledge of the Marathi language mandatory for all commercial passenger vehicle drivers in the state. The move has been in the works for several months. In May, the Transport Department began a statewide verification drive, while the government also launched a 4-hour functional Marathi training program for non-Marathi speaking drivers. But there is a crucial gap in the data. The Transport Department has not yet made public a consolidated figure showing how many drivers have actually appeared for the proficiency test, how many have passed, and how many certificates have been issued. And with the deadline approaching, drivers are now turning up at Mumbai's RTOs to complete the certification process.
I have studied from BMC school. I have the school leaving certificate also. I have completed my Marathi training as well, but my test has not happened yet. Repeatedly, they have given me different dates. First, 2nd August, then 5th, then 12th. I waited till 11:45 PM yesterday, but the test did not happen. There is no clarity for today as well.
सर हमने आज 5वें दिन आए आरटीओ में.
I'm unable to even get admission for training. I'm ready to learn Marathi in 2 days. I've been coming here for many days just to get admission for the training, but I've not been given a slot yet. Every time I come, I'm always asked to wait. The deadline is so close and basic procedure for me has not even started. I don't want to lose my license. I have family of 4 to feed. This is my only source of income.
But what exactly is being tested? The requirement is for practical or working Marathi, essentially the ability to communicate with passengers rather than academic level proficiency. And the stakes are significant. From August 18th, RTOs across Maharashtra are expected to begin widespread inspection and checks. Drivers found not meeting the requirement could face action, including suspension of driving authorization for up to 3 months, while repeat violations could lead to cancellation. So the big question now is not simply how many drivers have learned Marathi, it is, of the 1 lakh plus drivers trained, how many have actually been tested and certified.
We are currently in one of the biggest RTO centers in the city of Mumbai, where hundreds of taxi drivers, even auto drivers are turning up in huge numbers before the August 18 deadline, which makes Marathi language mandatory for all the drivers who are running commercial vehicles here in the city of Mumbai. They need not have an academic Marathi language, but they need to have basic Marathi language while talking to the passengers. And that is why you can see that the taxis have been queued up. The drivers are here. Some of them are waiting for the test to take place. Some of them are waiting to collect their certificate after they have already given tests last week. With video journalist Om Prakash, this is Disha reporting from Mumbai for WION. World is One.